Hello, wonderful people. Welcome to another amazing episode of our Python tutorial series. And in today's episode, we are looking at a simple trick of getting, individual identities of your data without duplicates. So for instance, you have a data that has a lot of duplicated elements and you want to see just the individual elements, okay, not the repeating times or the number of times they really reappear, but you want to see how many individual elements you have within the whole item group. And there's a very simple way of doing that just by adopting the set method, and set just simply does that for you. So let's assume we have variable a being defined as say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 2, 3, 6, 8, 7, 9, 10. All right. And so this is what the A is. Just by adopting the set data type, we pass in the A. This deals with all the duplicates. It just gives you individual elements. So the various set groups gives you individual classifications of the various elements in there. And so once we run this, we just have the number of, individual elements. These are the individual elements that appear within the entire group we have. And so there's an easy way of, trying to maybe have a multiple data set and you want to see all the individual elements that are within the data group. And there's just an easy way to do that. And once you're done with this, you can you can change this back to whatever form you want. Say, let's call this B. So B then is our set. So we can change B to, and a set is defined by curly brackets. So we can then change our B from a set to say a list, and this should work perfectly. And then we have the individual elements passed back again as a list. And so that's all for today's session. I hope you had a wonderful time. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notification, and like, and also share within your network. And hope to see you tomorrow with another wonderful content on the VLOGMAS series of our Python tutorial lessons. Be good. Bye.